This is a banger.
Who da dey na the bar? Money man don't call na the bar. Hey, who da dey na the bar? Diamond boy don't drop na the bar. Who da dey na the bar? Money man.
What's up, TeamFullest? This is Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Wake Up My Canal. So in today's video, I'm gonna do a quick get ready with me. As you guys can see, I'm filming in my bedroom. Excuse the mess because my bed hasn't still come yet. So you guys got to pardon me because the room is just somehow. But I'm going to first start with primer. I'm going to use my Maybelline Baby Skin Face Primer. I'm just going to take a little bit on my nose, around my mouth, because these are the areas where I get more pores. So I'm just gonna take this brush and just blend this into the skin. I'm avoiding touching my finger, my hand on my face, just trying to avoid that. So just a very simple look. You guys can see the weather is very beautiful. Not beautiful in the sense the sun is shining, but it is still cold outside. I'm going to take my NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator in Pure Gold. Yeah, I want to say Sun Goddess. I'm going to take a little bit. I feel like that is more than enough. I don't know. I feel like I have my lashes in my eyes. And I'm just going to take my brush and I'm just going to blend this into the skin. Oh, my eyes. I don't know, but I have blend it into the skin. I like to focus more on here, that cheekbone. Take whatever is on the brush. Let's blend the forehead. And then just try to get this side. So what have you guys been up to? What have you guys been up to? TeamFullest, guys, for some of you guys who don't know, I do have a vlog channel which is AMIFULLEST live vlog. I will highly appreciate it if you all can just go there and show your girl some love and support. Please subscribe to my vlog channel. So I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution matte base foundation in F14. I'm going to take this foundation, a little bit go a long way. You don't need to take a lot. This foundation is such a nice foundation. I really love it. It's one of my favorite foundation because it's so lightweight and it has a really nice coverage, especially when my skin is on the better side. It has a really nice coverage. Just gonna take whatever is on the brush, put that on my forehead. On my forehead, I don't really like to put foundation on my forehead that much because my forehead is pretty okay. I'm just gonna take this blend and then take whatever is on the brush as well. Do the other side of the forehead. And then I'm just gonna take a brush, focus more around my mouth. So now I'm just gonna take the foundation brush. I'm just gonna blend on top of my eyes because we're going for like a really simple soft glam makeup look. If you want, you can add like a really nice brown smoky eye, but I'm going for like a really simple look. I don't need eyeshadow. I'm going to use my setting powder. I'm even going to use the Fenty Beauty bronzer as to set my eyes because I feel like that is a really nice brown. and it's going to be very, very beautiful. I'm going to take a little bit of this concealer from the LA Girl concealer. This is in beautiful bronze. I'm just going to take a little bit and put it around my mouth, because this is where I always had the issue. Even though it's a bit lighter, I'm just going to leave it to kind of sit down for a bit. If you want like full coverage, sit down for a bit. So I'm just gonna blend. Use the brush to separate my unicorn eyebrow. I don't know, the sunlight is just messing up with me. And now I'm just gonna press this into the skin. Press, because yeah, use the same brush. You guys can see how everything is blend smoothly. You kind of give it a much more coverage around my mouth area. Okay, so now I don't need this foundation anymore. Close the foundation. I'm just going in with the brush like this. Blend, 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 blend. So now that is done, let's go in with a concealer. I'm going to be using the LA Girl concealer. This is in Cool Tan. It's a bit lighter. I'm gonna put this and also drag it here. This is the new contour method that I haven't seen, so let's try. Okay, it's makeup. You always have to try things. That is it with makeup. Don't want to put too much because then I have to blend. Oh, I didn't even put the rest of my face. I'm gonna use a bit darker concealer because I don't really like that lighter concealer. I'm gonna put just something darker here, the bridge of my nose. I just want a little bit of brightness underneath my eyes, but I don't want like that super overall brightness. So I'm just gonna take this and I'm just gonna blend. Okay, got the powder I'm going to use is gonna brighten up those areas. And because I'm not using like an eyeshadow, I'm gonna use like a really soft brown bronzer. I want it to brighten underneath my eyes a little bit. Yeah, it's not like super bright, but it's okay. Just stop it right here. I'm gonna do the same thing here. Blend. Excuse the crazy face expression. Yeah, this is such beginner friendly makeup. For example, you want to do makeup, you're not good at makeup, or you are somebody who wants to do like a very simple makeup look. This is such an easy makeup look. When I said easy, it is very much easy. So I'm going to take this Makeup Revelation setting powder. This is in Deep Honey. Yo, I don't have glasses on. Yeah, it's Deep Honey. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to use that to set. Yeah, I'm just going to use it to set underneath my eyes. Everywhere you put the concealer is where you're going to use that setting powder. The bridge of my nose, my chin, a little bit set underneath of my eyes. So now that it's done, let me get my setting powder. Let's set this face. Let's set this face. If you guys have followed me on my vlog channel, you guys know I kind of change the position of the stuff, the dresser that was standing behind me. So if you guys want to know how I change this, follow me on my beauty channel, on my vlog channel, which is AMIFULLEST live vlog, and you guys will know the craziness that I am doing. Set this face. Set. I don't know, but I feel like this setting powder is just, I feel like it's just not working for me today. It looks very crazy underneath the eyes. Okay, let's do that. Now I'm going to take, first of all, let's close all of these concealers before I mess things up here. I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty bronzer. Before my eyes get creasy, I'm going to take this clean brush and I'm just gonna dab that bronzer on top of my eyes. Dab. Do the same thing here, because I don't want my eyes, the concealer on my eyes, to crease. So I'm just gonna dab. So now what you're gonna do, you're gonna turn the brush on the other side and you're just gonna blend. You're gonna do the same thing here. Turn the brush on the other side and you're just gonna like try to blend everything. Take more product. You can add more on your eyelid, so it looks like your eyelid is darker. It gives you this eyeshadow effect, as you guys can see. It makes you look like you have an eyeshadow on. Oh, this is so beautiful for like an everyday look. Yeah, that's it. A simple brown eyeshadow. So now that we've done that, let's just do bronzing, okay? I'm going to take that same bronzer. Yes. Yo, it's so beautiful, guys. It's so beautiful. I'm just going to take whatever is on the brush. We're going to do the jawline, yeah? Going to do that is looking beautiful. So now I'm going to take that setting powder that I used to set my face. I'm going to use this to do my nose contour. Yep. Okay. I'm just going to use this brush to kind of like smoothing down that contour. Okay, so now let's do quick reverse contour, yeah, because you guys know your girl loves reverse contour. Not too much, just a little bit. So now let's do the lip. Use some makeup revolution Tammy collab. Oh yeah. Now it's time to highlight. I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb highlighter. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of this highlighter. I'm going to put it in the inner corner of my eyes, and also a little bit on the brow bone. Not too much, just a little bit, because you want to go for like that really soft glam look. Now a little bit on my tip of my nose and also on the bridge of my nose, just doing like a swiping motion. So now it's time to take my Kreiswald fan brush and let's just do this. You guys see that glow? Just take the brush, I like to bring it a little bit this side. So now it's time to set this face. You know what I'm saying? You know, I'm going to be using my Makeup Revelation Oil Contour Setting Spray. This is the matte finish. So let's shake and let's spray. So TeamFullest, this is... I have my closet open. Okay. This is the finished result. Let me know what you all think in the comment box. Now I feel like this is such a really nice soft glam. It's very simple. I have like minimum accessories, just have my little earrings, just my ring and my watch and my hand bracelet. That's it. Very simple. So this is the finished look. I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. And if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment box. But yeah, what you think about this brown soft glam makeup look? I'm wearing just a comfortable sweatpants kind of situation, but you can glam it up if you want to. I just kind of keep it casual. Thank you guys so much for your love and support, TeamFullest. I really appreciate you all, and I will see you all on my next video. Peace out. Bye. Do.